Yeah, we're doing something else this time. I'm gonna flash a there it is, ZX10R. Yeah, that's what this is. Anyway, got the basic stuff off. I guess I could have started this earlier. I figured out how to get all this crap off. And I haven't got the wire harness or the flash yet, the bin file. So once that Woolich, once that gets here, then we're going to do that. So I'm going to continue taking this stuff off. So I can get the air filter as well, because I guess it's right there from what I've seen. What I've seen in other people's videos. Haha, cheater. Alright, I'm not going to take the tank off if I can get away with it. I'll just prop it up and, ooh, look how corroded that screw is. Doesn't look good there, Chris. Anyway, the rest of them obviously are clean because of obvious reasons where they're at. So, I start taking this all apart. Man, you piece of junk phone. I beat some bugs out of it. It's actually in pretty good shape. K&N. K&N. Wasn't that a commercial? K&N. Retards. Oh, did I say that? Yeah, it's my channel. I say what I want. Alright, so here's the goods. So I could focus on the friggin' thing. I don't want you to knock that tank over. I'm going to put the camera down. Alright, so anyway, I'm going to pull that out and unhook the wires, and then I just got to wait for the stuff to get here. Settings. Stacked. Yeah. Make it look like I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Ignition map. I'm going to advance the timing a little bit to about 14,000. I'm only going to go like a couple of degrees or so. Probably to... yeah, 6,000. I'll take it to 75 to 8,000. No, I'll take it to 6,500. And I'll go over two more. Oops. And let's see, they look alright, though that could go a bit more. It's fly-by-wire. Just make sure everything's here. Nothing but neutral. Oh man, I advanced the timing in neutral. Here's the throttle body. So what I'm going to do with this one, 50%, I'm going to go, oh, we'll say 3,800 at 53%, and a lot of them are already at 100. So I'm just going to do this and bump that up to 100. Oh, I guess I just do that. Okay, well, I'll do that. There. So, at just over half throttle. Yeah, that's more like it. I guess I don't need to do that. No one's going to sit there and rev their bike. So, first gear. Just going to go down like this and make them all 100. Alright. That should be it for the secondary. Limiters, so we're going to bump that up to 14. Take the top speed off. I don't know if that thing can even read that stuff. Probably can't. Me doing all this stuff and the camera can't even see it. Oh, excuse me. Put that on. I think that's it. Now I'm going to go plug it in the bike. Can't give away all my secrets. Okay, so I'd take this thing all apart because it wouldn't run, and then when I got it going, it's because I pushed it on here, and what it ended up being was this friggin' orange rubber thing come out, and it popped inside the ECU itself. So that's supposed to be down there. So I picked it out of the ECU. There you go, you prick. one's alright. So now we're going to take 2 and see what happens. Try it again. Just going to make sure I get everything as it was, because I saved the, yeah, that looks good. Okay. So let's just see what happens if I do this. This is the first time I've done this, and it wasn't in March. But it's a third Kawasaki, third bike. The 14, a bunch of stuff went flashing all over in the dash, but this one's not doing anything. And it's still saying, oh, initialize 2. I think that's the second try, because I went through this with the other, one of the bikes. It ended up being a wire pin was bent right from when I got it. So, anyway, we'll see. Probably shut this off to know. Okay, here's where I'm at. Just struggled with these damn wires for almost a half hour. They didn't want to go in, I don't know why. So I'm going to have to cover them up a little bit, make sure they're in there tight. 66, 67. Basically it's the one that has the 2 pins in it, not the side that has the 3 pins like on the other side right over here. Okay, here we are. That's the 4th one, just on trying to read the ECU. As you can see, I got internet. Battery's on charge. This is what it's doing, just on the read. ZX10R is ECU. That's it, it's done. I've got continuity on these 2 wires from this side, not this side, right up to here. Not here, here. That's how good it is. If I unhook these things. Finally, figured it out. Damn connector, the yellow connector was broken. Imagine that. Be pushing that in there and the thing broke. Cheap piece of junk. It's working now. Thank you, Jesus. Took friggin' long enough. What a headache. Once again, another cheap wiring harness, just like the last one was. The ZX10R, I had to pop a clip in this piece. And look at this one, how squiggly it is. I didn't do that. Oh, he's got to do this stuff off in order to notice this stuff. Anyway, so you get it all back together. Alright, I just switched that traction control off. So let's just see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that, it worked. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, now I'll go take it for a spin after. Look at all that kickstand. Alright, let's see what this thing's gonna do. This is my test ride because I'm not going outside. That's good enough. Get it all stinky in here and then I'll open the door up and see it. Final clip. Just took this thing down the out to the highway and stuff, and it's 30 some friggin' degree weather. See if this thing, how it works here to outside temperature. Yeah, 32. That's in the garage where it's cooled off. So far so good. I imagine she's gonna be alright. Okay, till next time.